Hey fellow Hello Kitty fans. Well, I just got a few items from eBay today and I want to share them with you. Um, the first item I got was this Hello Kitty watch. I don't know if you can see it. Let me take it out the package. It's pink and it has Hello Kitty face and it has like little bows. And I just love this watch because it's my favorite color, which is pink. And I paid $3.75 for this plus free shipping and handling. So yeah, this watch was like really cheap. Okay. And the second thing I got was this Hello Kitty necklace. See, it has diamonds and it has a light pink bow. And I got this off of eBay for $7.99, and it was like the cheapest I could find because the other necklaces was like $40, but this was only $7.99 with free shipping and handling. And I really love this necklace. So thanks for watching my Hello Kitty haul video from eBay. Thanks.